Hi guys, so karon mag-create ta og GitHub account para atong mga code atong mabutang sa GitHub, okay? So ang atong buhaton karon is simply mag-search ta GitHub and then GitHub, register ta, okay? Register ta. Let's say create account, sign up. So ni, welcome to GitHub. Okay, bizdoc dot programmer at gmail.com. Okay, so natay Gmail nga account and then continue and then okay. Okay, type the password. Okay, continue. Yeah. Bizdoc programmer. Okay. Would you like to receive product updates? Yes. Let's say yes. Puzzle. So, the puzzle na verify your start puzzle. Okay. Pick square that shows two identical objects. So, identical object, square, um, ani, identical sila. Okay, good. So, create account. Okay, so I think atong save guys ang atong kuan and then let me post and ako sa ning i-post and then kuha na ko ang akong Okay guys, just head sa inyong ato lang sa inyong Gmail and then copy ninyo ang code nga gisend sa GitHub and then right click copy and then just paste it here. And then after that just me continue continue. So yeah, I think where's collaboration? I think the right question there. Continue for free. So ato lang sa tasa for free guys. No kay may nang free para libre. So initializing your dashboard. So karon mag-create our first repository. So this is Laravel lesson. Okay, lessons. Okay. Or let's say Laravel tutorial. Okay, Laravel tutorial. Okay. So create. Okay, nice. So karon na natay nag-create na ta og repository. So natay Laravel tutorial. So mo na siya ang pag-create sa GitHub guys. So um, naka-create na mo GitHub by just those following those simple steps and then create repository by just ano sa repository and then create new repository. Okay? So see you on my next video. Akong i-implement ni siya sa atong real project sa post. So thank you so much guys. Bye-bye. See you later.